Hey everybody, so I got a quick unboxing of a Kobalt Ratchet driver. Probably have seen it on the channel before, but if you guys are new to the channel, we're going to do another video because I picked another one up. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So I've done a video on this before. I really like this 2x double drive 13-in-1 Kobalt screwdriver, or double drive ratchet driver. Has a lifetime guarantee, hassle free. It is part number 0525791. I liked it so much I picked up another one. These plastic clips are just like killer. Ooh, these Harbor Freight shears are pretty sharp. So this is a 13-in-1, 12 bits, and magnet extender. Plastic particles everywhere. So you twist and unthread it. And here's the bits that it comes with. Phillips 1, 2, 3, and it kind of looks like a Phillips 4. What is that? This is a Phillips 3. Should have known that. Phillips 2. Phillips 1. Oh, and a Phillips 0. It's got an Allen 5/32, 3/16. To 3/4 flats and 2 size Torx. T10, T20. Flat is 1/8, 3/16, quarter, and 9/32. So those are all the bits, and then the little extension right in the center fits very nicely. Oh, it's kind of snug. It's usually not this snug. I'll grab a pair of pliers. Not sure why it was so snug. Grabbed this pair of small Knipex. I didn't fit that snug earlier. I'll have to deal with it later. Sometimes they're snug, sometimes they're not. It's a nice little kit. This one's very smooth. Just a quick little unboxing. Nothing special. This is item 0525791. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.